Forgot. All right. Okay, so wait, let me talk to Kia. She can start for some reason. Okay, so 4 modules. By far the essentials is really basic. Once you get to intermediate, that's when you might be learning some new functions that you haven't learned before, which is good. You'll also start to learn about, pivot tables and making slicers. Data visualization is more in depth, but it's shorter. Data visualization is a bit shorter. Okay. Oh, crap. Just 1 second, sorry. Okay, I think the reason why you got a different Zoom link is because I chose the wrong one. So I'll fix that next time. Okay, yeah, I didn't use your class link. Okay, so section 1, which we're going to start today, is called Critical Core of Excel. And that's just going to be the basics. And then we'll go into performing calculations and formatting, working with data, and printing. So it might happen that we finish all of these by the end of the week or by Monday next week. You do have a soft skills session. And, oh, sorry, section 6 charts. We have another one. Okay, so for intermediate 1, we're going to talk about multiple worksheets and workbooks and how to connect them together. Text and date functions, named ranges, summarizing data, tables, pivot tables, charts, and slicers for intermediate 1. Intermediate 2, we'll go into data validation, conditional logic, automating lookups, formula auditing and protection, data modeling, and recording macros. All right. And then for our last one, data visualization, we'll go into conditional mastering charting techniques.
I'm not here with something problem or what?
Okay, sorry about that. You hear? Is it better?
No. Oh, you the same with me. Okay, I only the one have problem, not maybe from the host from the trainer.
Okay. Okay. All right, and creating an interactive dashboard. I'll just talk louder too. Visualizations and dynamic charts. All right, so there's just 5 sections in there. We'll move on to module section quizzes. So there is a quiz for each module section and must be completed through Google Classroom. So after you finish one of the module sections, you'll have to just go to Google Classroom, do the Google form, and it will assess your comprehension. So each module has a certain amount of quizzes. So for module 1, there's 6 quizzes because there's 6 sections. Module 2 also has 6 quizzes. Module 3, another 6, and Module 4 only has 2 quizzes because it's a bit shorter. All right. And then we'll talk about our Q&A sessions. So these will be after either weekly, if you want it, or after we finish the module. So when we finish all the sections, you can have a Q&A, or by when you need it. Okay. And so again, it just follows the same with the modules. Okay, and then I have to talk about the assessments. Sorry, I think you might hear my dog. He's coughing. So we have a module final assessments. There will be a final assessment task after the completion of each module in Google Classroom. So there's a quiz for each section, and then there's a final assessment for the entire module. And so there will be one assessment each for each module. So 4 assessments, those are a bit longer. And then we're going to talk about your final course project, but we won't talk about it today, but just know that you will have one, and there will be a final project that will be introduced this week or next week, and it will be due after the completion of all modules or the completion of all the courses. Okay. All right. Sorry, Mr. Saray.
That's
Should I problem with the join?
Okay, that was my fault. I'll make sure next time that doesn't happen. All right, so so far, do you have any questions before we talk about Coursera?
no.
No, nice. Okay, so first I'll just show you the website and how to log in, and then Akia will tell you about which ones you have to do or which ones you don't have to do. So once you do go to Coursera, bookmark it somewhere on your Chrome or Firefox reviews. Continue with your Google, or when you sign up, just sign up using your Google account or your DataU if you want. You can also use Facebook, it's up to you. But I'm just gonna sign in because I already signed up. So I'll log in with my DataU or Mekong account. Okay. So once you get in, it's gonna look like this, and you're going to type in this one, Excel Skills for Business Essentials. All right. So once you click on that, and you'll see Excel Skills for Business, and you're gonna have to audit. So let me show you on another account, sorry. I got a couple accounts here. Maybe this one. Oops. Maybe I'll do this one. And I'll do Coursera. Okay, I'm gonna go to join for free. All right, just bear with me. Internet's a bit slow. Okay, so we have sign up. So I'm gonna sign up with my Google account, which is this one here. Okay, Now, when you're signed up, you would just go to, I'm just going to type Excel. Excel skills for business. I believe it's that one. Yeah. This one here, Excel skills for business essentials. And then once you go to, it says enroll for free. Once you click on that, you'll see this audit the course on the bottom here. So don't click on start free trial when you do it. You go to click audit the course. Now, once you do that, you'll see that there's 6 weeks, but we won't be following the weeks. But each week is actually a section within the module. So here we have critical core, and we have some of the videos and what you'll be working with. And just give me a second here. So if I go to, wait. Yeah, and at the very bottom, you can mark as complete. So you'll see on my left side here, these are all the parts I have to look at. But Kia, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Kia, would you be able to just show them on your screen what they need to do and what they can skip?
Okay.
Thank you.
Um. On Coursera, what we want you is to watch the following video as the add-on ideas. So John will go through with you guys as well in a classroom time, like discussing and asking the main question that would help you to draw attention to the important point that you need to get from it, plus to really discuss any point that it is not clear to you guys. But on the Coursera, please watch the practice video, because in the practice video, you're going to see them navigate through Excel and do the calculations using Excel function and stuff. You can either do the practice quiz as I show you here. So because I already did all the quiz in here, you can do it in order to save your, to save your answer here, but you wanna it is not compulsory to do the quiz in here, because we want to record your score. We have been creating the quiz form on the Google. If I happen to show you here, this one. In the classroom. So just watch the video there, do the practice there, but make sure that you complete the quiz in our Google form. So in our Google form, the quiz are the same question from Coursera, but somehow we change the question as well. So make sure you read it. And we have the data set in Google Classroom. You can either download it from Google Classroom or from Coursera. And the question consists of the quiz right here. I think it takes a long time. So the question is week by week. I mean, one form consists of all the questions from week 1 in Coursera. So the practice video here contains 5 questions. So there's quite the 5 questions already included in our form. So there are can be more than 30 questions or around less than 30 questions per form. But I want to clarify the questions are from here, but only we make something change for that. And beside the practice quiz question, we also add the assessment question in here. So let me go back maybe. Damn, why it takes so long time? Okay, I can access it and here. If you happen to go to the classroom, I think Uni already learned you guys on how you can, oh my god, on how you can use the Google Classroom. So basically, if you want to read through any material, do the classwork, of course, going to classwork, we have been organizing into categories, so it is easier than you watch it from, than you read it from stream, because in stream it kind of the update of everything that is just posted. So here a request for you. You might not see it yet because I haven't posted. I have been scheduled for this posting. So since I haven't posted, I just want to get through. So here there are links to the exercise. There are links to the spreadsheet. So please click on the link. So the link form will provide you will link you to the Google form. A part of the form, there always the survey section where we ask you guys to fill in like what are the part that you feel understand the most and what are not. Let me show you the form. So this is the data set. You can either copy the link and then download it. So it's just an example, but remember that the form itself, you can do it one time because we limited you guys. The reason why you can do it only one time because after every form you submit, you're going to see the answer. And the score, the right answer will show you right after you submit it. So here, we would like to ask you for your cooperations that you answer it honestly and actually do this, because all of this we have been made it into compulsory that you have to click on any part that you don't really understand so that we can help you better. So after you have clicked on that, so it when you see the small box like this, it means that multiple, you can click multiple times. Like you can click multiple choice of the given choices below. And then when you click to next, it will link you to the question part. So anything which is not clear to anyone? I'm going to end the screen now.
So we are required to do the survey after you guys complete teaching the course or what? Or when should we do it?
So we suggest you guys to complete the Google form exercise right after you complete week 1, or you can do it part by part. It's up to you. But it is a lot easier and faster if you complete week 1 on Coursera and then open the form in Google Classroom for that assignment, and then do that first week questions. Remember that you also need to submit back your Excel file that you have done. So, for example, in the Google Classroom, we gave you the data in the form of Excel. You download it. Of course, you need to do you need to make the calculations on that Excel file in order to come up with the questions, with the answer for the questions. So remember to submit it back, because we also like to see why you get this question wrong, why there are a lot of questions that you could not answer it correctly. Is it clear for you?
Yeah, so by the end of this week, we will have to do it, right? Because it's for week 1.
So it stated that week 1 in Coursera, but in fact, you're gonna spend only like 2 days in order to complete it, or 3 days in order to complete it actually. So it's not going to be our first week at the same time stated in Coursera. If you happen to check the schedule, you can see that Excel Essential is expected to finish by a specific date in this week. If I don't remember it wrong, it may be Wednesday or Thursday. Do you get it, Bo Bisa?
Yeah. The last day of this course is on Thursday. Okay, so
Yeah. So you might
do it
go
on
through all
Thursday
this.
then.
I don't suggest you to complete every quiz form by Thursday. I mean on Thursday alone. I really suggest you and encourage you to start doing one by one, because as you can see on the Google Classroom at the moment, there are a series of exercise under Excel Essential. So I'm going to post it out. So there are 7, including final assessment, meaning 6-week exercise plus the final assessment. So it's kind of a lot. If you decide to do it on Thursday alone, it might be overwhelm you.
Oh, okay, I understand.
Any question? If not, I can hand the session to John so that John can be with you.
Excuse me, Wikia.
Yeah, Bong.
I heard in your email stating about pin your schedule on Google Classroom. So I am right now on Google Classroom, which the schedule is down at the bottom, and then
Yep.
I try to click the dot at the end of it. So it is just copy link. How do I pin it? If I do right click and then something else in which I don't see the pin.
Can you share me the screen so that I can understand?
Very new for me to go to Zoom, but just let me try to share screen, click on it. And then Google Classroom. Post it here. You see it?
Yes.
So down the bottom is a weekly schedule. How do I pin this one?
Okay. Can you go up and then check classwork? Going back to classwork. Can you click
Right.
on classwork?
Yes, already.
Moving down.
Thank you.
Moving down to find cohort schedule. Yeah, click on the weekly schedule. Down. No, down. Yeah. Do you see
No.
cohort schedule? There's cohort
Oh,
schedule
yes,
and then
yes.
yeah, click on that.
And then copy link.
No, just click on that post. Don't click on the drop. Yep.
Yes.
And then you will see the link. Copy the link from there.
Copy.
Yeah.
Copy link to highlights. Is it?
No, just copy.
Okay, copy already.
And then open your another browser.
Oh, this is a little tricky. All right, so browsers, yes.
And then pass that link and open.
Pass that link.
Yeah.
Yes.
Click and close.
So I click on docs.google.com spreadsheet. Is that the one?
Yeah, and enter that.
Really tricky. Okay, here it is.
So yeah, so the schedule will be here. It's going to update like 2 week by 2 week. The pin meaning you pin that browser or your own newsletter so that you can just quickly access
So
to.
are you saying that I have to turn on, oh, sorry. I have to go back to the classroom and then what I've done.
No, pin this one. Pin this browser. Yeah, pin this tab browser.
Pin this browser.
Yeah, so that you can use it later.
So where can I pin it?
If you right click on the tab, up.
Oh, here we go. Found it. Okay.
Yeah.
So just pin it.
Yes. Or you can add it to favorite folder, something so.
So where is it right now? Is it on my Gmail?
It is on your Google browser, I think.
So it's actually,
You can either pin it or add it to your favorite so that you can find it.
it's actually I pinned it, but I don't know where it is right now. Is it on the top right?
It is on the top right now.
So I
But
saw the logo of my Gmail DataU there. So that is how it pins this, is it?
Yeah.
So when I click on it, and then how do I go? I have to turn on synchronize or what? Or no need?
No, you don't need to. What you can do is to save that tab into your favorite folders on Google Chrome, or you can pin it. So I'm not sure because I don't use Google Chrome that much. Pinning can be, I mean, all the pin tab can be gone or not, but in my Mac, if I use Safari, it stay there. But if it gone,
So-
please, anyone would like to share?
So when you are saying
No.
saying
Hello, Đồng Kiên. Hello.
but
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can look at the left hand side. No, yeah, left. Then you see the Google Sheet logo.
Yeah.
ឡើងលើទៀតបងលើទៀតហ្នឹងអាហ្នឹង pin នេះជាប់នៅហ្នឹង
So this is the one. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Thank you. That's great.
So
Okay.
when you close the browser and turn it on again, it will
It's there.
always be there.
Great.
So you can pin at a course like Coursera or our Google Classroom as well.
So doing the same method, is it?
Yeah.
So going to new browsers and doing it. Okay, that's cool.
Yes.
Thank you, Rizal. Thank you, Mutia.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So no more question, right?
No more. Thank you.
So I will lend the session to John, and then I'm going to post the 7 assignment to you guys in Google Classroom. Please check it and start doing it if you like to. But remember, one form you can do it only one time. Make sure that you got the correct answer as best as you can. Don't just carelessly select on the choice. Thank you, John. Please continue your session. I'm going to leave now. Thank you.
Yeah, bye.
You forgot to unmute yourself.
Oh my gosh. All right, I'll just say what I said again. I said, hey, what's up? Is everybody still alive and awake? Yeah, great.
Yeah, still alive.
Nice. Okay, so we're gonna start with a quick overview of the critical core of Excel, and then I'll show you how it aligns with the Coursera. And then we're going to go through some questions together. So first, let me show you that in Critical Core Excel, there's going to be a video about user interface, a video about navigational controls, a video about view options, data entry, and fill handle. So 5 videos that you'll watch, but we're going to do it one by one so that we can make it a bit more interactive. So give me a second here, but I'll show you where to watch the video for user interface, and then you're going to assign everybody some questions that you will answer or demonstrate through Zoom based on the video and based on the question. And then once everybody has shown us what how to demonstrate or how to answer the question, we'll move on to the next video. So by the end of the 5th video, you're going to have a final say or feedback and say, is this how you want to continue, or do you want to go self-study, or do you want to break up into groups where some just go self-study, some stay online on Zoom, and we do the same method. So just let me show you first, Critical Core of Excel. So if I go here to my course, and I go to week 1, and you'll see, if I go to resume, okay, here we go. On the left side here, you'll see practice videos and challenges. So we have, here we go, taking charge of Excel, navigating, view options, data entry, and fill handle. So those are the 5 videos that we're going to watch. And the quizzes, I would suggest you do it in Google Form instead of doing it here. It's just much easier. So you'll watch the videos on Coursera, do your quizzes and assessment on Google Form. So if you were to go to this first video, you would see that it is about 7 minutes long, and it's going to talk about the user interface. All right. So what's going to happen is I'm going to give you the questions and then you watch the video. After that, we come back together and we're going to take them up. So the questions I'm talking about are here. And you'll see that I have 16 questions related to the video. So when you're watching the video, it's all in orders. It's not hard. You'll be able to know what the key points are, what you actually should know and take from it so that you become a better Excel user. So what's going to happen is you're going to see this notepad here. So I'll send this into the group and the questions, but I'll give you an example. So Mr. Apiret will have questions 1 to 3, which is what is the Excel ribbon? What are all the names of the tabs contained in the ribbon? And what are tool groups? Okay, so those 3 questions will be in the video, but you need to formulate or form your own answers. And if possible, show us through your screen. Actually, we're going to do it where you have to show us through your screen. Okay, so you're going to screen share and you're going to talk about it. All right, and then that way you know it better and you can teach it to us. All right, so does anybody have any questions so far? If not, then I'm going to post this in the Telegram group, the questions and the questions you are assigned. So that's May, you have questions 4 to 6. Mr. Kiel, you have questions 7 to 9. Visal, question 10 to 12. Mr. Hat, you only have 2 questions, 13 and 14. And Mr. Sarai, you have questions 15 and 16. So you only have 2 questions. So first, let me post this in the group. Give me a second. Okay, excuse me. I sent it in the group. Now, your job now is to make sure you join. Has everybody, let's do 5-10 minutes just making the Coursera account and logging in, make sure we're on the same page, and then we'll start the video, okay? So can everybody go to the Coursera website? I'll just log out. And actually, you're gonna have someone else demonstrate. Let's see. I was gonna use the wheel. Internet slow. I'll just choose Mr. Hat, Mr. Saray, Mr. Smay, and Mr. Kia. All right, if you get selected, you're gonna share your screen and you're gonna show us, everybody, how you're gonna sign up and get to the course. All right, Mr. Apiret. Yay. All right, Mr. Apiret, can you share your screen, please? And go to the Coursera website and show us step by step. We'll follow you and help you how to create your account and how to find the course and sign up for it.
Everybody.
Yep, can see your screen. Nice.
Do you want me to share you about the locking in account into the Coursera or
Yes. And signing up. Yeah. You already created an account?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, annoying with the screen sharing. Okay. The first is I'm gonna go to the Google Classroom. This is my tips, and let me share you. I'm gonna go to the Google Classroom, you click cohort, and then click to the classwork and got it. Click on the classwork and scroll down to find out the Excel skills for business essential. And as you can see, the content is over here, is over left, and it is homework that we finished yesterday. The data mindset, the professional development, blah blah blah, cohort schedule, and the last one is Excel for business essentials. So now let you read this few minutes, and we're gonna check the Coursera by clicking the link. Clicking the link, or as you can copy the link and pass on the other browsers. But for me, I'm gonna click the links, and it's gonna be going. It's going to the Coursera, and let you check step by step. This is explore, and as you can see, the goals, subjects is there are such as data science, business, computer science, blah blah blah, etc. And okay, and this is the searching place. As you can see, I've been search Excel skills for business and Excel skills for business essential. And as you can see, this is my account. And now we are looking for the Excel skills for business essential. Let me show you. I've been logged in my account already, and enrolled. Ignored by enrollment, and as you can see, the below is about instructor, syllabus reviews, and enrollment options. The things we have to learn from this syllabus. The week 1, week 2, week 3, 4. So as the value trainer showed us, there is good core for Excel, and as you can, there are 10 videos. So totally in 46 minutes, it's nearly 1 hour. And click on see all, and as you can see, introduction, distraction, checking chat of Excel, and so on, as you can see. Scroll down to check it out one step, check it out step by step. And then the week 2, performing calculations.
Sorry, Peter. Just go through to the lesson. Don't talk it. Just go through to the lesson. Just no need to introduce it.
Like that's fine. Happy that you went pretty thorough, which is good as well for new beginners. So if nobody knew about that's good. But you can also go to the very top and enroll and show us when you enroll what you should do. So you go to the very, you go to the top for me. Yeah, keep going to the very top.
You want me to answer the questions, all right?
No, not yet. Can you go back to the Coursera?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and can you go to the very top of the window or the screen of that, to the top of Coursera, where it says enroll for free? Do you remember that? Can you go there and click on it?
Okay, this is my tips and I want to share you.
Move up, move up, move up, move up, not move down. Scroll up.
Yeah, can you keep going?
Week 1. Week
Wait,
1 we
after-
got learn critical.
Wait, after that, sorry. Can you keep scrolling to the very top? Yeah, keep going all the way up there. Yep, keep going. Okay, can you click enroll for free?
Enroll, the request
No,
start.
don't start. Audit. Click audit. Down the start. Down
Audit.
here.
Yes.
Click the audit. Click the audit.
Audit,
Okay.
where audit?
Click the enroll. Click the
Uh-uh.
enroll for free. Yeah, click that.
Moodpress. Oh,
All right. So Apiria, well done. And from here, Apiria, can you choose someone else to continue on to show us which video we need to watch first? Can you choose somebody in the group to share their screen next, please?
the following is Mong Kian that you
Okay,
keep going on.
right. So let me share my screen.
Well done, Apiria. Thank you for doing that.
Thank you so much.
Sorry, just hold on a second.
No problem.
I'm going to my classroom. So Euclid cohort July, and then start sharing. Google Chrome. Oh, there is it. Sorry. Classroom. So this. All right. So sharing my screen. Everybody sees?
Yes. Yes,
Good.
very good.
You
Thanks.
see.
Okay, cool. Then let me share the Excel. Okay, so this is the one, essential skills for business. Essential Excel skills for business. This is the one. And then I just click on the link. And so I just okay, let me scroll down a little bit. So I need to scroll up. Syllabus. Oh, I already go to the course, so I just go to the course.
Nice.
And this is where I am right now. So if I click week 1, consistency is key. Most successful learners are so just cross this. So it's being loaded. Oh, Mr. Johnny, I have a question over
Yeah.
the change of the Coursera time zone setting because I don't see any Cambodia, only Los Angeles.
Okay. That you don't have to change or modify. The
So I
course will
just
still
cross
work
it.
properly.
I see. Okay. So this is week 1. That's the critical core of Excel. And then learning objectives. So I have clicked some of these because I have read and watched about it. And then I have some more left. So this says welcome and critical information, including reading of welcome to Excel skills, course goal, and course information, blah blah blah. And then here it's a practice video challenge. So reading again, reading videos, watch, and then practice quiz. So practice quiz here we don't have to do since you were saying you're going to be all in the Google Classroom. Is that correct?
Yes, correct. It's optional, but I would suggest to just do it on Google Classroom, so you don't have to waste too much time. And the readings and the practice quiz are optional, but the most important part are the practice videos. So,
Okay, cool.
yeah. So you did very well in terms of already getting to the video and completing it. So you should be easy for you to answer the questions. So for everybody else, are you clear on what to do now? You need to watch Taking Charge of Excel and complete your questions that I added in Telegram. I'll give you about 10 minutes to do that. And then after we will review the first video, answer the questions together, and then move on to the next video and follow that method. So if there are no problems, so around maybe 10:25, we can meet again and you can share your answers, okay? If you need more time, just let me know in here, okay? So,
Okay,
all right,
Okay,
Ian, thank you
okay.
so much. Thank you for
thank you.
your awesome
Bye-bye.
demonstration. Yep,
Bye.
Thank you.
welcome.
You're welcome.
So I'll see you around 10:25. You can stay here if you want, and ask questions if you want, but we'll meet again 10:25. If you need more time, maybe 10:30, and we'll take up the questions from the video. All right?
Yes.
Okay. All right, see you soon.
Okay. Okay. Goodbye.
Bye. It's got about 4 more minutes.
So, excuse me, Johnny.
Yes.
I yesterday happened to the PTC computer shop near Soria Market,
Okay.
and according to Limay advised me to do the boot camp rather than doing the parallel, because I found out my computer is pretty old, Mac OS, which is trash actually. Yes, you know, I don't know. Let me check this. Which is the version Mac OS Sierra 10.12.6.
Okay.
And actually, I installed Parallel since I was in Siem Reap. I mean, long before I came to Phnom Penh. But when I went to the computer shop yesterday, anyway, they found out that the guy who installed my Parallel just 2 gig, like GB, and the recommendation should be 4. So probably he didn't know what he was doing.
Yeah.
And according to Li Meng said should use bootcamp, but I also checked with the computer shop yesterday, said if you the student should do the bootcamp rather than the parallel. And I said, can this be upgraded to 4G rather than 2 GB? He said no, it's already clicked and set it up, so it's all gone. We have to remove it. Somehow we need to remove this because the space is full, and he recommended me to do the boot camp, and he said my macOS version, it is still capable with the boot camp and including the Excel's 2016. So he said this version, it is still available to do anything, including the boot camp of Windows 10. So according to some tools and programs that we need to use, like MySQL Server or Power BI, and I was at the shop around 5 or 6 o'clock, but it took some time to go. But I need a computer to study every day, so I'm gonna be at the weekend. My question to you is to install all those tools and programs. Would that be okay? Wait until Saturday morning. I do it maybe whole half day morning. And is it the 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 class still not affecting all those, isn't it? like
Uh,
in terms of using, because I can see the whole of this week is Excels, right? And
Yeah.
perhaps some of soft skills and stuff like that.
Yeah, you should be fine actually because like Power BI, MySQL, we won't be doing them yet. So if you are able to finish and solve that as in this week, probably good for you so that later when you actually need those other programs,
Yeah,
you're ready. And I'm thinking that you probably know a bit about Excel anyway, so you won't be losing out on too much, not having the computer yet. So yeah, no big issue.
yeah, thank you. But what I can see here, Excel's, because with the computer, you know, I don't even know anything about it, even download. I was relying on, you know, the shops only. But
Oh,
okay, for example, right now I click on my Excel's program. It always says check for updates, you know, as it says up here. I mean, right above the formula, it
yeah.
says Office update to keep up to date with the security updates, fixes, and improvement. Choose check for updates. But once I click for the update, it's, you know, it's something like this. Just let me share my screen,
Okay,
if you don't mind.
no problem.
Thank you. So this is Microsoft Excel. Let's click on this one. You see it?
Yeah,
And then here, check for the update, right? So
yeah.
if I click for the updates, it's always moving here. I don't know if I have to untick this one, automatically keep Microsoft apps up to date, or go into advanced. You have any idea about that?
So it won't let you use anything, right?
Right.
Okay. Wait. So after you click check for updates, nothing happens?
Okay, let me check right now.
Okay.
It's checking for updates, and it's all done. It's just like apps requiring attention 5. What does it mean?
Um,
Uh,
I'm not too sure. I can't really see that part.
Here, this one. You see
Uh,
my cursor?
yeah, but I don't see
So this
anything
is,
here.
okay, let me check for updates again. Then it goes checking for updates. See?
Yeah,
Then it pop out this.
yeah. I don't see it. Does anybody else see that? Like I just see the blank cells.
No,
Still in
just
I mean
Excel.
where,
share
my
the mouse only.
cursor is.
Just
Yeah.
see the
Maybe you
cursor.
can start sharing the screen again and choose
Yeah.
screen one.
Oh, okay, just wait. I stopped
Yeah.
sharing, so I start
Uh-oh.
sharing again.
You have dual
Okay.
screen?
You see it? Blank one.
Yeah,
So you see my cursor?
yeah,
Yeah,
Okay, so I click for update here, you see it?
yeah.
yeah. I
Yeah,
see. Like nothing
and
happens.
then check for updates. Here, this is how it works. I just screenshot this and share.
I don't know why I do not see it.
Oh,
You can drop it in the Telegram group, and then
yeah, I'll, okay, I just screenshot it. And then, okay. And then,
um,
here we go.
oh, okay. And then when you click check for updates, what happens?
This is what it happens. Apps requiring attention 5.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we don't see it in our screen. Father bisa, Father mungkin I'm not so sure about that, but normally in Cambodia we also use about the Czech version. It means not full.
Yeah,
So
you know,
some
they just offered us a cracked one. It's not fully licensed.
yeah, that's why you cannot update it. Or if only you have the student
True.
study with IT and they know how to do it, they can help you for that. But we can also use, nothing problem with it. We can normally use it, but just cannot update. So you just close the update. It's okay. Do you understand what I mean?
Yeah, still usable. I know that.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they're
So
just like the
no need to
interface,
update.
you know, going to be a little bit different.
You see in
Yeah,
on the
that's all right.
left
I
hand
just
have the
asked
close.
question.
You close it, close the office of that. Yeah, you can
Yeah,
close it.
yeah,
Just close it.
yeah.
It's okay.
I see that. Yeah, but so Mr. Johnny,
Yeah.
I just want to get back question to you. What do you think in terms of using Excels? Should we keep using the cracked one, the unlicensed one, or should we have to buy one, or what do
I
you
would
think?
just I would just use the unlicensed one for now. I think you still should be able to use all the features, right? It just
Yeah,
depends
as
on
you can see the screen here, is it worth to keep
Yeah,
going with this?
yeah. I would keep going with it. It's a bit different from the Windows. It might be arranged differently, but however, it still has the same features. It's just sometimes in different areas. But I would just keep using what you have now. Even I have the cracked one for my laptop and my desktop, so it's fine.
Okay, all
Yeah,
right. Thank you.
all right. You're welcome.
Thank you. I just stopped
Okay,
sharing.
so
Yeah.
no problem. All right, so we're gonna
Thank
start
you.
now with Mr. Apiria. And I do have to mention one thing that I just found out. So you know the quizzes after each video, what happened was I believe Pia, she took all the questions and then put them all into one Google form. So because of that, you won't be having, I thought it was gonna be small separate quizzes after each video, but it's not. So what's gonna happen is after we go through the questions, you can do the quiz after the video just to test your comprehension. And that will help you for the final assessment after we finish the module so that it will, because those questions will come up again anyway, so you can get a better score, all right? Because I'm afraid that if we don't do any small assessments before you do the final assessments, then you will not be so well prepared. So if we're doing the small quizzes as we go, once you get to the final, those questions show up again, okay? So let's start with Mr. Aperea. Can you answer the questions and share your screen, please?
Okay, you see that? Um,
Yep, I can see your screen.
the question is Excel Rubin. Excel Rubin, and what is Excel Rubin, and what are all the names of tabs content in the Rubin, and what are tool groups? Before I answer this question, let's move to the Excels. Move to the Excel, and the first question is Excel Rubin. Excel Rubin is the row of tabs, the row of all tabs below the, yeah, sure. This is like it's the row, the row of all tabs below. This is the row tab below, and tabs content in Robin. Tabs content in Robin is tab content in Robin. And such as home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, and use as well. So this is the tabs content. Let me tab content in the Robin. Tab content in the Robin. And tool groups. Tool groups is, I think, it's like the tab content in the ribbon as well. Tool group, I think, I guess the tool group is home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, and view tabs as well. Yes, that's
Okay.
my answer.
Okay. Can you click on the home for me? Okay, great. So there are, can somebody help answer how many tool groups are there in this tab? How many tool groups?
Four.
All right, 4. And do we have any more answers as well? Or does everybody agree 4?
Oh wait, it's not 4.
I guess the
7.
answer went to 7.
I
Sorry.
see 7 tool group.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 groups, 8 tool groups. All right.
Okay, I don't know how, wait, how did you get number 8?
Let me count these 2 groups. I counted the number 1, and this is number 2. And pay attention on my cursor.
Yeah.
Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
How did you get 9 now?
And 2 groups.
Okay. All right. All right.
Do one by one.
Okay. So a tool group has a name under it, okay, with tools on top. So we can see that the first group, the tool name is what? The tool group.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So how many are
Clipboard
there?
is number 1. No, I see. Clipboard is number 1. Font is number 2. Alignment number 3. Number 4 is number, and number 5 is styles. Sales after 6, and 7 is editing.
Okay, great. That sounds better. Thank you. Does anybody want to add or want to ask any questions?
I have. I cannot answer my question because I don't know.
Okay, no worries. We'll help you once you get to yours. And okay, well done, Mr. Apidat. Thank you for demonstrating. And Mr. Esmay, can you share your screen and we'll try to help you. Whatever question. Do the one you know first.
You cannot touch screen while the other are sharing. Share the screen. Then what do you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
What do you see?
For those who dare.
Yeah. Wow, how do we know? I think. Whoa. How to open full?
Yeah, you can open Excel
Yeah.
now.
Okay. Sorry. I have a lot of Excel file. No. Okay. How do now you see my Excel file, right?
Yes.
Yeah. My Excel file.
Can you full
Okay.
screen or maximize it, please?
Okay. And then what's the question?
Yeah.
What's the question? How do I do it? Where? Okay. So, what's the for me it's question 4 to 6. Where and what's the dialog launcher? Where and what's the backstage view? How to open the file? How to open a file? I just know here open the file and click open what our file and save file. I just know only this. How about the other answer? I don't know.
Okay, I'll help you with one related to the backstage view. Well, you know, when you went to go open your file, you were actually in the backstage view. This is what they call the backstage view. So everything you see there, where you create, you open, you save, you do anything with your files, they call it the backstage view.
Okay.
Now with the dialog launcher, I know what it is, but let's see others who can help explain where and what is the dialog launcher. Anybody want to help?
Okay.
I stop sharing my screen.
Okay. Someone want to show us?
You
Okay,
see my screen?
Well, nice. Yes, we also see Steam. Nice.
Same.
Okay. So the dialog launcher is the box that contains information about each tab. So you can hover, for example, you can look at the font group tab here, font, and you can hover your mouse over it, and you can see the box right now. Can you see it now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Visible.
So that is the dialog launcher. Am I correct, Johnny?
Correct.
Yeah. So you can also view other dialog as well here. Dialog launcher, dialog.
Does anything happen if you click on it?
Yeah, we have the small tool.
You can actually, there are a lot of dialog launcher for every box, for every tool. It shows the description of that tool. What is it about? What is their function? And
Great.
there's also tell me more section where you can click, and then it can help you for other information you would like to know about the tool. I guess that's it.
Yes, perfect. Thank you for saving Mr. Retzmay's life. You did it. No, I'm just joking.
Thank you, Visa.
Thanks for helping. And well done, Mr. Retzmay, for also starting us off. And Mr. Retzmay, yeah. Mr. Visal, your job is to make sure maybe later tomorrow, you're gonna ask Mr. Retzmay, Mr. Retzmay, what is the dialogue viewer? Can you show me, please? And hopefully he will remember.
You know what? I just know it 5 seconds ago. I go to Google and type it.
Yeah, no problem. We talked a bit about it in the video, but I think it was a bit short. So Okay,
Actually, I
great.
know how to do it, but I don't know what what we call it.
Oh,
I
okay.
do it every day.
Oh, okay, nice. All right, so thank you, sir. And let's move to Mr. Kia. Are you ready, Mr. Kia?
Well, yes, sort of.
Sort of, 50-50.
50-50. I don't know much about the Excels though.
That's okay, that's good, because then we can help.
Right. Okay. Would you like me to share screen?
Yes, please.
Okay. So this is number 7. How do you collapse the ribbon? So I would like you to see my cursor. If I go top right and then I click this arrow, then that's all collapse.
Nice, correct.
And then this is down. Is that all right? Thank you.
Yes.
And then quick one, what is the quick access toolbar? I would walk my cursor here, including undo, repeat, print, or whatever it is. Here, it's all up here on the top left.
All right, thank you.
And then my number 9, what are commands within the quick access toolbar? Then you can go to this one. You can command anything in this little box. It says customize quick access toolbar. Then once you click on it, and then you're gonna see here like new home save, send workbook print, spelling, undo, repeats, sort of sending, descending. And then that's more down here. It says more commands. That's a lot. So if you want to add something, you just add it into the quick access toolbar here. So for example, I want to do decrease font size. For example, I just add into it, and then it's here now. So I just add it. Oh, sorry. Quick access toolbar you already have is on. It's already have. So I choose another one. Let's say email. So where is email? Here we go. Email. And then I add on it. And then I save it. So this is my email. Here. Oh, field color. Yeah, this one is email. You see that?
Yep,
Hello?
see it.
See it?
Well done.
Yeah.
Okay.
Any question?
I think also for Windows users, at least for me, my quick access bar is not at the very top. It's under the ribbon. I don't know about the rest of the Windows users, but that's where mine is. But I believe for Mac users, possibly that quick access is at the top. But no questions from me. Thank you very much, and well done for showing us that.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Okay, thanks. Next on the list is Mr. Visal.
Okay, wait. Can you see my Excels now?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so question number 10. Can you customize the quick access toolbar? I think Bong Mu Kieng already touched upon it, but I'm gonna show it again anyway.
Right.
So you can click on this. So here, yeah, you can customize from here. So for example, I already click automatically save. So it's here. You can save it automatically. But I think this feature is only available when you have OneDrive. So
Alright.
let's move to another one is save. So you can also use save instantly. You want to save, just click on it. Then it appears the save column. But if you want to customize it, like you want to change it, you don't, for example, you don't want to have the save button here, you can just unclick it. Then it's gone. For the same, if you want to have email, you can click on it, yeah,
Is
then
that-
boom. Email
if
come
you-
here. Yeah.
Yeah, if you click the ribbon, yeah, click it.
Mhm.
Click it. Oh no, not email.
Mhm.
Yeah, and so below the ribbon. So the downstairs, the down one. Yeah,
Mm.
and I have to restore back. I can find it now.
Just
So we have
show
the
both.
ribbon. Oh yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
so that's it for question number 10. Am I correct, Mr. Johnny?
Yes, you are.
Because
And also,
I'm a
just
little
want
bit
to say-
bit confused with this too. Customize ribbon is also here, but it's kind of complicated, so I can just skip it for now.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, so question number 11. How can you add a tool from a tab? Okay, so again, here's our tool. We have clipboard, we have font. But if we want to add it, like font here, to the ribbon, we can just right click on the font. Can you see my cursor? Yeah. And then right click and add it to quick access toolbar. Boom, here we also here have font on the ribbon as well. So you can click on it. And you can do that to other tool as well. New comment, add it. Again, it's here. New comment is here as well. Okay.
Yes, correct.
Question number 12. What is formula bar? Okay. This is the formula bar, and it shows everything that you types in the cell. So this is, for instance, this is a single cell. When you type something, it's also appear in this bar as well, the cell. And you type formula, it's also appear in here. So everything in the cell also appears in the formula bar. And you can also make it bigger or smaller. But right now it's too big, so I'm gonna make it smaller here. So yeah, that's it for my questions.
All right, perfect. Thank you for answering them. Does anybody have any questions? No? Okay. Mr. Hat, question 13 and 14, please.
Yeah. Share my screen. You see my screen?
Yes, we see it. I see it.
Let me see my Excel. Okay,
Yeah.
for me, number 13, what is the workbook? I think the workbook is a whole file of Excel. We call the workbook. But the workbook at least contain at least has at least one worksheet. Yes, it is a worksheet.
Correct.
the exit number 1, number 2, number 3, and also if you want to create another workbook, we can click on file and select new. We can create new workbook. Okay. Yes. Yes, we can choose blank workbook. And the next question, worksheet also contain with the row and column. The head of sheet is called column, and the number, the column they have name the alphabet ABC, that called column, and the row is the number that at the left. Row number 1, row number 2, row number 3. Okay.
All right.
Yes.
I think those are your 2 questions. Well done, Mr. Hat. Thank you for a clear explanation.
Yeah.
And Mr. Saray, are you ready?
Yes. Please stop sharing my. Sorry. Okay.
All right, Mr. Saray, are you there? Appears not to be here anymore. So Mr. Hat, because Mr. Saray is not here or is not responding, can you, Mr. Hat, can you choose someone to answer question 15, please?
Yeah. The question number 15 cell. Sorry, I share my screen again.
Oh, wait, Mr. Hat, you just have to choose somebody to answer it for us. So you don't have to answer it. You just choose somebody, maybe,
Oh.
Yeah, choose someone else.
Choose somebody to answer question of Mr. Right?
Yes.
And for me, I can answer number 15.
You want to answer it?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes, cell is maybe I share screen again. Yes, cell is combined with a row and column. Yes. For example, it is cell name of cell mix between row and column because cell F and column S and row H. So cell F8. Alright.
Yes, that's correct. Well done, Mr. Hat.
Yeah.
And do you want to try to answer the last question? What is the status bar? Or do you want to ask somebody else to answer it?
I think status bar is the top of Excel worksheet. It's so something on the top.
Okay. Can you show me again? You said on the top?
Oh, sorry, the bottom. No, the top at the bottom. For example.
Okay.
Yes. Go on. See. Here's the center of center bar is so at the bottom of the worksheet.
All right, that is correct. It gives you, what is it giving you? What does it show again? It's showing you, oh yeah, electricity bill. Okay, yes, so it's going to show you some basic calculations like sum, average, and count. So that is the status bar. So thank you, Mr. At, for
Yeah.
showing that for us.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Okay, great. All right, so what you need to do now is to do the quiz. I know before we said we won't do it, but now we're going to do it to help yourself understand the concepts better. And the quiz is not marked by you, it's just for you to do by yourself. But those questions will be on your assessment. So go back to the Coursera, do the quiz. I think it's only 10 questions or less. And then we'll just have a quick talk. So it's practice quiz taking charge of Excel. And there's only 5 questions, so it's not too hard. After you finish, just let me know, and then we can move on.
Sorry, how about the question that Moikia just uploaded to Google Classroom? Do we have to do it now or?
I believe that
Those
one.
Coursera.
Can you screen share and show me? Because I went to check and I found out that it was a summary, like a final assessment. Okay, critical core. Yeah, that one. Click on it. And you go down. Okay, so yeah, I saw the same one. So the link at the bottom where it says, if you can go down a bit more, scroll down. And yeah, you see that link there. And that link is an assessment. It's like a final assessment. So it's all the questions from each section. So what I need you to do instead, in order to help you prepare for that, is just to do it on Coursera, because it's 5 questions on Coursera. And that way you at least have a quick review. Yeah, that one right there, taking charge of Excel. All right. So everybody, please do that when you're done. Please let me know. Just type in the Zoom chat that you're done. Yes, start. And it should be 5 questions. Thank you very much, Visal.
Hello, Mr. Johnny.
Yes, Mr. Kia.
Yes, I actually had a test yesterday.
Which test?
The quiz, practice quiz, are
Okay.
essential skills too basic for me. I got very small score, just 52, you know.
52%?
Yes.
Okay, that's okay. You can do it again, right?
I don't know because it shows here as the results. So can I click on it again or?
Yeah, you should be able to do it 3 times a day, I think.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I see.
I believe you should be able to do better now that we practiced. Yeah, just make sure you open up your Excel while you do the quiz to help you answer the questions as well.
Oh, I see, I see.
Excuse me, is it important for us to get a better score? Why we need to do instant transfer before we doing to the our classroom, Google Classroom? And is it important to have the higher score or what?
Not really. It's, I guess, more important to have a higher comprehension of the material. So even if you don't get perfect or a 90 or whatever, but as long as you know what you got wrong and what is the correct answer. But if you don't want to redo it, that's okay as well. If you get a low score and you don't really care, that's fine as well. So it's really up to you. I believe in the assessment, when you do it in the Google Classroom, it is important to get a high score. One thing is, I believe that the other companies, when they want to hire you, I believe they will release these scores to them because they want to know your profile. So if that's the case, then the score can matter if the company is looking to make sure that you are doing well in these assessments. But again, we're not going to push you, but we would suggest to do the best you can, but ultimately to understand the best you can.
Thank you. I think you are right. And for the study, you just care about the score. But for the in the real world, you don't care about the score.
Yes, exactly.
It's actually doesn't allow me, Mr. Johnny,
Okay, what's it
because
saying?
because I clicked yesterday. So today when I try something different, it doesn't allow me. So it's okay. I don't have to do it.
All right, no problem.
Thank you.
Yep. I think if you want, you can. Does it show you the correct? I don't think it shows you the correct answer, right? After you do it.
But when we get tested, when we complete the test, they also show the correct answer. That's why they not allow us to repeat it. But if we do it correctly, they not show us the answer because we do correct. But when we do it wrong, they show us the answer. That's why Brother Mungkin cannot redo it again. The score has been recorded.
That's okay. Life goes on.
Wait, I
Yeah,
think
I think we are here not important about the score. I think it's not so important about the score because we have working experience and now we want to learn more and to make the better choice of our life.
yes.
No, I think the exercise that you do in Coursera won't be recorded. Those,
Correct. It won't.
Oh,
You're
yeah,
right.
Because I'm not
yeah,
record, but in Google Classroom,
yeah,
is
on
record it and cannot redo it again. And I want to say something. So silent now.
Just waiting. When you're done, just type done in the Zoom chat, and then we can move on. Once you're done the quiz.
Okay, when we complete, we just save or submit.
Just submit.
Okay. Can now submit.
So what I have to do next, Johnny?
Okay. What we're gonna do next is just talk about today's methodology, and if anybody feels like they wanna do self-study on their own, or do you want to keep continuing? Because we'll keep continuing, but if you want to do on your own time, in your own pace, you can do that too. But I will still be here. So after everybody is done, we can talk about that and get a consensus and agreement about how we want to continue with the Excel. So
Sorry.
yeah, go ahead, Mr. Hat, if you can give your opinion.
For my screen, cannot submit. I don't know why. Here, when we run now on it,
You have to type your name first. Boom.
Yeah,
See,
put your name.
enter your legal name.
okay.
All right, thank you, Mr. Visal. So on this, Visal, you're done. So Visal, do you want to give your opinion? So Visal, since you're done, do you want to give your opinion about how you like the current way of learning? Is it too slow for you? Do you want to continue, or do you want to do your own self-study? What's your opinion?
Wait, let me check the whole course again.
Okay.
Taking charge. Yeah, I think I can go with everyone.
All right. Thank you for your answer. And what about Mr. Hat? How do you feel about it?
Sorry, sir.
Yeah, so just trying to get your opinion about the way we learned today, because there are questions that are already created for each of the sections. So let me just show you quickly. I think you can see my screen. So you'll see that we did this already, these questions, and we answered them together.
Yeah.
And for navigational controls, there's more questions, and they'll be divided to everybody else. So until we get the fill handle, there's still questions. And then there's like a small little activity. And the question is, would you rather do your self-study and by yourself and try to do the videos and learn? Or would you rather do it like what we're doing today? We're doing it together. The pace is more controlled and we're answering questions together. What do you think, Mr. Hat?
For the basic Excel, I think it's self-study.
Okay, great.
So the first essential of the Excel. I think everyone know more about Excel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. And Mr. Hat, can you choose someone else to answer with their opinion other than Mr. Visal, because he already talked? Who you can ask?
That's my.
All right, Mr. Rasmari.
Yeah, you. That's my.
All right, thank you. It's AFK. Maybe you can choose someone else.
Next, Mr. Sarai. You have more? Yes.
Yes, sir. For me, I think so it's hard for me today because I cannot catch up understand with the lesson. Yeah, especially the concept of the lesson and another thing. I cannot find the information that the teacher assigned, like the Coursera and Google Class, and I have some program like the for the Zoom joining and something. And sometimes I cannot listen the full of meaning that teacher said in the lesson. And I hope that I will talk with Bong Kumha and Vishal to help me to config the problem that I have through. Yes.
Ba bữa nay ba qua hả? Oh, sorry about that. Because I have problem when you ask me, I hear the question, but I cannot respond, and then the close it, the Zoom close it. I don't know what happened. For me, actually, I would like if for me, because Excel basic, I just know the basic doing Excel, and I just know what I really need to do in the input the data only. But for the sum that we learned today, I didn't catch it. I just know how to use it. I don't call it. I didn't know about the add-in. I just know how to do it by work. But Excel they have many tools inside it, and very big Excel. So I cannot follow the video also. Maybe I waste the time about the file 10 minutes to watch the introduce of the Excel. So that's why if we can share together something that we have this video, we can watch together. And I think that everybody can catch up the same meaning and the same answer, and it is easy for us to learn together. But I suppose that we have only about small team, about 4 or 5. So it is easy to learn together. And if you want to separately, it is up to you. But I hope we can learn together. It's not so fast and it's not so slow as well. That's all my opinion.
Okay, thank you very much. And Mr. Ratsmai, can you please choose another person to answer, either Aparea or Mr. Kiel?
Brother Mungkian, it's time for you.
Yes. Okay, so from my opinion is more about on thinking how huge is Excel is. It is a huge actually. Even the people knows how to use it basically, but it is not as simple as people think. For example, today, you know, the technical words that need to be called, which is impressive. But I mean, I can cope along with whatever the videos that DataU has given, so we can do more learning through that videos. And as soon as the lessons finished, so that we can jump into the Google Classroom assessment or quizzes. So yeah, that's my opinion. Thank you.
Okay, thanks. And Mr. Apida?
The sessions today seems to be very restrained. strange situation in the Excels, because I usually use the when I use the Excel or any functions in Excel, I usually use the imagination, or that means I get to use each function in the Excel. I imagine the situation or imagine the graph or anything that I have to create in the Excel, and I get to use the tool. I get to use each tool in the Excel. I'm not clear what that should the name of tool. I'm not clear the name of tool which I have to call it. I don't know the name of each tool. Yes, it's pretty sure when I mean, it's challenge. It's my challenge that I have to remember the name of each tool in Excel. It's interesting, you know. Yes, that's my opinion.
All right, thanks. Thank you very much, everybody. So one of the key reasons why these technical terms are shown for today is that once we progress, these words will be used again and again and again from the instructor. And because of that, if you know where they are and the names and what they mean, it'll be a lot easier for you once you progress to the Excel, because you have the understanding and the vocabulary. So what we can do, okay, is we can continue this way, answering the questions together. If you feel like you are better off self-studying, that's okay. Just make sure you let us know so that we are not just waiting for you, okay, and we think that you're still coming. You should tell us before so that we can continue, okay? So what we can still do, because we have some time before lunch, if you want to take a break, early break, and then come back at 1, we can continue the Excel. And we have to go into the second session, which will be talking about navigation tools. And if you don't want to join that session, you want to self-study, just make sure you just send a private message to me so I know not to wait for you. All right, so it's just an option. If you're going to join, I'll see you then, okay? So right now we have about 25 minutes, so we can still continue into section 2 and watch the video and then try to answer the questions. Whatever we don't get done, we start back up at 1. Or you can take a break now and just try to review, if you want, what you've learned so far, or take a bit of a head start to the second session. So what do you, yeah?
Before we have a break, I want you to give me the information or configure some program that I have made with my my learning. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And like for enroll, for the class, Google class, and with the Coursera, the Coursera is I just get into the Coursera that the teacher tell us, and thank the visa that helped me. And I want to know more, and something that some information that I cannot catch up with the lesson. Yes, please summarize what is the requirement that you for our class. Yes.
Okay, so I can stay on the line with Mr. Sarai and try to catch him up. For the rest of you, you may have a go and take a break, and I'll see you at 1. Okay. If you want to stay and help, you can as well, but I'm just going to assist, and I'll see you at 1 p.m. for everybody else. Okay. All right.
Okay, so break for now.
Yeah, right for now. And I'll see you at 1, and we'll continue with section 2. Thank you all for your feedback and participation.
So this is the last session in the morning, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye. All right, Mr. Sarai, do you have, oh, sorry, Sarai. Can you share your screen? Are you on a computer or are you on a phone?
This is I on computer. Sir.
Okay. Can you share your
I
screen?
will share you with my. Yeah.
Okay, very good. You're already here. So on your left side, can you scroll down in Welcome to Critical Information on the left side? Yeah, can you scroll down and click on Practice Videos and Challenges. Practice Videos and Challenges on the bottom there. Practice Videos and Challenges on the left side. Go down. Let me screenshot actually. Yeah, that's a better idea. I'm gonna screenshot it in Telegram, okay, Mr. Sarai? Can you open that? Yeah. It's another picture.
Yes, sir.
Go to the bottom of the Telegram. Wait, you got it right.
Yes.
Yeah, great. Okay, so you're going to see practice video taking charge of Excel. Yeah, so what you need to do for today is watch that video and then do the practice quiz after it.
Yes.
And I'm going to send you a private message. Just 1 second. One second. Okay, there you are. I'm gonna send you a message. 1 second. So I sent you a private message on Telegram.
Yes, I see.
Yeah. Once you watch the video, while you're watching it or after, see if you can answer the questions in your head or keep them saved somewhere on your computer. For example, number 1, what is an Excel ribbon, or what is the Excel ribbon? And when you watch the video, it will tell you, and you just need to take note.
Yes.
Yeah. So once you do that, at 1 o'clock, we're going to continue with practice video navigating selecting. We're gonna do that together at 1 p.m.
Yeah.
So don't do that yet. Just do taking charge of Excel. And for Google Classroom, can you show me your problem?
Sometimes when I go to the classroom, it's not like some other classmate.
Okay. Let's see you log in. Oh, what is that? Okay, let me see if I can find you. Yes, okay. So, all right, the one on the right, we don't use it anymore. The one on the left we use. And okay. If you can click X, it says add or create files for your classwork. Can you click on the X? Wait. I'll send you the photo. Click on the X.
Yeah.
Just 1 second. See if you can actually click on this instead. It's the 3 lines at the top. I sent it to.
How about it here?
Yeah, click got it. Yeah. Okay, good. Now I sent you a message on Telegram. Can you check it? It's a picture. If you can click on that.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, perfect. Can you click on? Can you click on the first one for this one? Click the first one, yeah.
First one.
Wait, keep going down. Yeah, that one. Click on it. Okay. All right, here we go. This is where you will see announcements. So if your teacher posts something, it will be in here.
Yeah.
And you don't have to worry about any of that right now, okay? Just that's for later, for those here. Go to classwork, click on classwork at the top. 1 second. I'll send you the picture. And I send you a message on Telegram. It'll show you where to click. It says classwork. Yeah. Okay. So on the left side, you're going to see topics. And right now, if you click on cohort schedule, if you click on that, all right. And if you click on the bottom, it says weekly schedule. Click on that link. Yeah. And this is the schedule. So scroll to the right and you'll see week 2, which is what we're on now. And that's what we're going to study. But if ever you need to know the schedule, you can click on that link. So you can also bookmark that. Click on the star on your Chrome, and you will bookmark it on your bookmark tab. And yeah, click add bookmark, and click done. Okay, and wait, I don't know where it's saved. Can you click on the star again? Yeah, and go to edit bookmark. And click on a folder, or click on that. And click on bookmarks bar. Yeah, and click done. Okay, now you can see it on your bookmark. And whenever you need to check the schedule, you can just click there, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, great. All right, let's go back to your cohort or back to Google Classroom. Yeah, all right. Now, can you click on HS Excel skills? Okay, so I think you're already in Coursera, so you don't have to worry about this, but can you scroll down? Okay, all right. And scroll down a little bit more. Okay. So I'm gonna show you the blue link I just sent you on Telegram. That blue link there is going to be your assessment later. You don't do it now, but you'll have to do it after we finish the first module for Excel. Okay, so if you click on that link right now,
Click now, sir.
yeah. Okay, so in here, you don't have to do it now, but we will let you know when you finish Critical Core of Excel on Coursera. Then you can come here and you can do the assessment. So if you want to make it easier, you can bookmark that on your bookmark bar. Click on the star at the top again. Yeah, add bookmark and done. Click on done, or you want to change the name? Okay. All right, great. So there, when you're done, you can click on that later. Okay, so that is basically how Google Classroom works right now. Can you do me a favor and click on, can you exit Google Classroom? Because I want you to remove yourself because you're in 2 classrooms. You're in one with Brandon and one with Yoni. So I need you to remove the classroom with Yoni. So what you can do is go to, I think this tab. I just sent you on Telegram. One second. Can you go back, Sarai? Can you go back? Okay, yeah, go back. Okay, stay on the screen for me. I'm just gonna show you a shortcut. Just wait. Okay, can you click on, there's like 9 dots on the right side. So I just sent you on Telegram the picture of what it looks like. Click on the 9 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. Yep. And then scroll down. Keep going, keep going. You'll see Google Classroom soon. Keep going. And there's the classroom. Click on classroom. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. So that's the shortcut. So you don't have to type.
Yeah.
Okay, so on the one with Yoni, click on the 3 dots. Just wait, I sent you a picture. Click on the 3 dots. Yeah, click the 3 dots after you see the picture. Okay, and click unenroll. Unenroll, yeah. And click unenroll. Okay, now you're set. You should have no more big problems, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Do you have any more questions?
No, sir.
Okay, if you do, just send me a private, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
I'll see you at 1 p.m.
Yeah.
Okay, bye. Okay, bye everybody else. I'm gonna log off. I'll see you at 1 p.m.
Goodbye, sir.
Bye.